It is now my pleasure
of His Excellency Dr. William Ruto for convening this high-level event here in COP-29 to take stock of the progress of the last year's summit that was organized, African summit that was organized in Nairobi. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we are all.
Nous avons besoin de mécanismes de financement durable, prévisibles, soient réformés. Aujourd'hui, nous allons passer en revue.
They emphasized Africa's potential to contribute significantly to global climate solutions, leveraging its young full population, vast renewable energy resources, natural assets, and entrepreneurial spirit to chart a climate-compatible development trajectory.
I'm pleased to inform you that Kenya is working closely with the AU Commission to urgently operationalize the post-ACS implementation roadmap. We have identified office space within the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change, and Forestry, and we are in the process of setting up the Secretariat office. We are working closely with the AUC to second staff to the Secretariat. I'm also happy to report that the African Union Commission is currently developing governance instruments for the ACS Secretariat.
I invite each and every country to join us in galvanizing a coordinated, collaborative effort to fulfill the goals of the Nairobi Declaration and beyond. Accordingly, I propose the following three imperatives. 1, strengthen multilateral and regional collaboration, as well as country ownership. 2, elevate adaptation as a priority. Adaptation is a matter of survival, justice, and dignity for millions of Africans. 3, champion the financial architecture reforms. We should advocate for financial reforms to grant African nations greater flexibility, autonomy, and significantly lower the cost of capital.